great deal to talk about right now. And look who's joining us here.
Hello,
it's Melissa.
Friend.
It's so good to see you.
I'm so excited to see I was going to be working with you
I know.
tonight. We never get to work together.
It's so rare.
fair.
I haven't seen you this year, so Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So happy to be here.
Was it super cold when you came out?
Freezing.
Yeah.
But we're getting ready for the snow. And what do you need when you've got snow? You need a great coffee brewer.
This is your buddy, and you need this right now because this big deal price is going away at the end of the day. Tomorrow. Yes, so now's the time to pick up your Keurig K-Mini Plus single-serve coffee maker with the voucher. Now, we have sold over 4 million Keurigs here at QVC, and this one is on this spectacular big deal price of $59.98 or 4 easy payments of $15. The colors we have, are they all back here?
Yeah,
Let's go take a look right back here.
There.
All right, can we see them all back here? Well, we're gonna figure that out here. Yes, perfect, thanks gang. I'll just nestle myself into this corner here.
There you go.
All right, perfection. Here is the white. We also have it in the teal. This one is your aqua. Is this the aqua, Melissa?
That is actually the teal.
No, this is the aqua.
Yeah, that's right.
White, aqua, teal.
There you go.
There's your red, and then this one here is your gray. This is one my mom picked up from my grandpa because he's like, I just need to make a cup of coffee. I don't need to make a pot of coffee. I'm by myself here, so this is it.
And
right?
this is so great because it's going to give you that same cup of Keurig that you love from our full-size brewer, Steve. But the difference is this is so much more sleek and more compact. It measures just 5 inches wide, less than. You'll also notice it's super simple to use. With some of our other brewers, you'll have lots of options, right? There's a menu that you toggle through. You have different buttons you need to push. With this, you simply put your K-cup in. You're going to fill the water reservoir on the back. This holds 6, 8, 10, all the way up to that 12-ounce travel mug size. You'll notice with this little reservoir, you can remove it and you can take it to your water source, or you can bring the water source to it and fill it down the back. But you simply put your K-cup in, press a button. You have a choice though. If you want to take any K-cup and you want to brew that K-cup strong and have a more richer, more robust, more aromatic coffee experience, you simply press that strong button. But the beautiful thing is you don't need to worry about how to make a strong cup of coffee because Keurig does it for you.
That's awesome. So I mean, yes, this is the mini, but what Melissa's telling us is that it doesn't take away or diminish from the fact that you're still getting all that strength, or even like a strong brew, which I think is fantastic.
Oh my gosh, yes. Yeah, and that's what Keurig is known for. You know, we've changed the way that you make coffee. You don't have to worry about measuring soggy, messy coffee grounds, making a mess all over your countertop. All that you need to do is you need to take your K-cup, place it inside the brewer, and we are the ones that created the K-cup. The K-cup is what you see right here, and the magic all happens in here. It kind of functions as a little mini brewer. So because of this wonderful technology, you can brew coffee, then you can brew tea, then you can brew hot cocoa. But the beauty is you're not going to taste what you previously brewed in what you're brewing at that time because it takes place all in here. And you're able to just put it in the trash can. It's actually fully recyclable too. All of our Keurig K-cups are 100% recyclable now.
I love
Something
that.
we're so proud of.
That makes so much sense because this is exactly how you want to literally make, you can make like a hot cup of water, right?
You can do, and that's what's so great. I made some instant soup. I overfilled a little bit much there, but you can use it for hot water on demand, Steve. You can brew coffee, you can brew tea, you can brew hot cocoa. You also have the ability to brew ice beverages using this brewer. And then the fact that we give you this brewer, Steve, and then we've given you a $50 off coupon so you can go and you can go shopping on Keurig.com.
Yeah.
I was on with Rachel Ellis before, and she actually said, she's like, so essentially after this rebate, you're getting this brewer home for like $9.
Oh my gosh.
Like a $9 brewer.
Actually, yeah, you're right.
Right?
And like,
you can go shopping.
What's the variety of K-cups that are out there?
Well, over 700 different K-cups, 75 brands, and they're not just no-name brands. They're names that you know, love, and trust. Names like Starbucks, names like Tully's, names like Celestial Seasonings.
Right.
I mean, the list goes on and on and on. But when you get this home, this was something that we built special for a QVC customer. You've said to us over the years, you love the Keurig brewers, but you don't necessarily like it when we pick out the coffee that comes with the offers. You want the opportunity to get the brewer home, go shopping, pick out what you like, right? Because my favorite cup of coffee might not be your favorite cup of coffee, right? But what you can do is you can take this rebate, you're going to go shopping on Keurig.com, and you are going to get $50 off a purchase of, I believe it's $60 or more.
I
How
love
great is that? Amazing.
Look at this one.
What's that?
Yummy.
Hot apple cider, please. Yes.
That's a brand we know and love.
you.
That sounds delicious. Oh my
Right?
goodness. Let's come take a look at all of the different colors because
do
I
it.
can tell you right now that the white and the gray are very popular right now. So in addition to the white, we also still have the aqua. Here is that teal. There's the red, and then very popular right now is the gray. $59.98 for easy payments of $14.99. This big deal price is going away at the end of the day tomorrow. And with the free shipping and handling, that's only happening for today. You're saving $56.52, and this costs $59.98.
Craziness,
That's
right?
kind of wild.
It really is.
I also think that yes, we've had a variety of Keurigs here at QVC, but this one is so sleek and so chic and top of counter. It's not taking up a lot of real estate here, right?
It's not. And something that I'd love to point out that really makes the Keurig K-Mini Plus so special is the fact that we have K-cup storage. So this is something right here. There's a little, if we can come over here, I'll show you this right here. There we go. This is going to store 9 K-cup portion packs. And what's so great about it is, Steve, when you're not using it, you simply take it. It's going to nestle right on top of your cup holder. So there you go. I think about those of us that don't have the luxury of a lot of counter space, right? You want to really maximize your counter space. You don't have space to maybe put up a carousel or have K-cup storage.
Right.
I think about maybe you want to purchase this brewer for somebody that's in a small apartment living. You want to purchase this brewer for somebody that might be in a college dorm.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to purchase this for someone that has a master bathroom suite that they want to utilize it, or in a rec room. It's something that they can utilize. And that great K-cup storage is something that really makes it special and unique.
I think that this would be really smart too in an office too. If maybe like you and your office buddies like just hate the pot of coffee that they make every day and you find yourself going out to pick up like that afternoon coffee, like it's such a slim design and profile. Like this is so cool to have in your office space as well. Really smart thing here because a lot of us are spending way too much money on those coffee drinks. Why not just have like your favorite coffee brands readily available for you?
Time, right? Like sometimes when you're running out the door, you go to maybe that drive-through and you're in line for forever, and you make your way through and maybe they don't have what you want, or I don't know if you're anything like me. When I go through that lots of bucks drive-through, I can't even pronounce half the things that are on the menu and the options, and I get so overwhelmed. I like what I like. I like that I can put it in my Keurig brewer, press that K-cup button, have it brew, and every time it's going to be consistent, and I don't have to worry about how to do it.
Yeah, you just said it. I mean, that's just it. You know exactly what you're going to get out of this one, and you know you're going to love it because that's the fun part about all of the different kinds of K-cups. Everybody has their favorite. This is my favorite.
What's yours?
Donut shop.
Yeah, and have you tried this one? This is a vanilla latte.
I've never tried this one.
It's a one-step vanilla latte. So this is one of the over 700 different K-cups that you'll have the opportunity to shop for when you get this home and get that rebate. It's a one-step vanilla latte. You don't have to worry about adding different things in there. You simply press that button and Keurig is going to make it for you. So
I love that.
I love if you have like a sweeter taste. If you like I love hot cocoa. I love the sweeter different types of coffee. My husband likes a strong, robust cup of coffee. But the fact that neither one of us have to compromise, we can do it all in the Keurig brewer. Because if you had a drip coffee maker, I'd have to drink what he made, and I don't want that. And he doesn't want what I'm drinking.
Not at all.
So it's good.
I want my coffee to taste like cake.
Yeah, you and me both.
Yes.
More whipped cream, the better.
Oh yeah. I want it sweet. I want it creamy.
See, this is why we're friends.
Yes, absolutely.
This is why we're friends.
Definitely. Well, the possibilities are endless with your Keurig, but this mini is on a big deal price that goes up at the end of the day tomorrow. Do yourself a favor and save the over $56 for this one. Once again, let's go through those colors that you're going to get this one for a big deal price of $59.98 or those 4 easy payments of $14.99. Here's the white, there's the aqua, teal, red, and very popular, the gray with item K310349. Melissa, so good to see you.
It was great to see you.